Hi. Today I'd like to take a few minutes to show you my HW98 air rifle. I've had it for 8 months and have nearly 10,000 pellets through it. It's a fabulous rifle. Smooth shooting and very accurate. I hope you enjoy this video. The Beeman HW98 is made in Germany. Mine is the Beeman branded R11 model sold in the US. It is 177 caliber and I have a Hawk Endurance 30mm 6-24 by 50 SF scope with a 10x mil-dot reticle mounted. The unique features of this rifle are the adjustable stock and weighted barrel sleeve. The internal parts are based upon the HW95, but modified to make it operate smoother. Smooth operation is evident from the first time you cock the rifle. It just feels silky smooth in all aspects of operation. Feel is what really sets this rifle apart. It is heavy for sure, but the balance is beautiful for shooting offhand, and with the stock adjusted, it fits perfectly. I shoot heavy H&N Barracuda Match 10.65 grain pellets. These give me a muzzle velocity of about 820 feet per second, with 15.9 foot-pounds of energy. With these pellets, there is almost no recoil, and the rifle is not in any way hold sensitive. Just hold it like you would a firearm, and with proper breathing and trigger discipline, the shots will go exactly where you have the rifle aimed when the trigger breaks. The ballistics of these pellets are very manageable with a 20-yard zero. Out to about 50 yards, where I see a drop of about 2.5 inches. Given my woodland environment, anything beyond 50 yards is not very practical. Now let's do some shooting. As I mentioned earlier, one of the first things you'll notice about this rifle is how smooth it is. From the moment you break the barrel and pull it down to cock it, it feels silky smooth. So we'll load a pellet. Close it up. Find the target. Safety off. And a hit. Let's do that a few more times. Well, there you go. Now I'll focus in on the target so you can watch it hit. For this video, I have some steel spinners set up at 20 yards. Let's go for the rooster first. Now the pig. The turkey always gives me trouble. Let's see if I can hit that too. Well, that was a miss. Well, I kicked it. Let's go for the ram. Nice solid hit on that. Now we'll shoot some paper from the bench so you can see how accurate this rifle really is. Okay, so now I'm set up to shoot from the bench. I've got a series of targets in my home range that go from 20 to 50 yards. The target we were shooting earlier is here. And the paper is set up at 25 yards here. Okay, so now we'll try to shoot a 5-shot group on camera. So there you go. If I hadn't messed up the one shot, it would pretty much be a one-hole group. Now, just for fun, I'm going to shoot offhand at 25 yards, which is what this rifle was designed to do. Well, I dropped that one. One more. Okay, now let's have a look at how I did. This was the benched on camera group, and this was the shot that I missed. If we measure center to center, that's about 2/10 of an inch. And that's about a 1/4 of an inch in that direction. So if we don't count that one, that was a 1/4 inch group. A little earlier, and we'll move over to this, in practice, I had done a little better. And was able to get 5 pellets almost through a single hole. If we look at the center to center on that, that was 0.238, or under a 1/4 of an inch. That's pretty good. And I think any accuracy is on the part of the shooter, not the rifle in this case. Let's look at my group that was shot offhand. This was the one that went low and that I missed. These other 4 shots, if we look at the biggest center to center, 0.974, so just under an inch at 25 yards, and that's about what I like to shoot. I like to shoot 4 minutes of angle or less. So that one messed it up. So I hope you've enjoyed this overview of my HW98 air rifle. I really like this rifle. It's fabulous. If you're looking for a high-end air rifle, spring gun or otherwise, be sure and check this one out. You won't be unhappy. Thanks for watching.